Hello, my name is Susan Dinkle. This is my module number 1 for EDL 859. I have 2 children, a daughter, Emily, she's a junior at K-State, and a son, Brady, who's a freshman at K-State. My husband, Brandy, is the owner of Mill and Seed here in St. Francis. I coach volleyball and basketball in the junior high and am the junior high athletic director. I also teach business. Probably should have included that. A little background information about me. I got my associate's degree from Pratt Community College in '93 in marketing, my bachelor's in secondary education business from K-State in '96. I received my master's degree in curriculum and instruction from Emporia State in 2006. And I also received my ESL certification from Emporia State in 2003, and this, I think, is the last class I have to take at Fort Hays to have my administration certificate completed. I was born and raised in St. Francis, so I'm currently teaching in the same high school that I went to school in. This is the start of my 24th year of teaching, 22 of which have been in St. Francis. My favorite class is my senior careers class, mainly because it's a lot of life skills that I teach them. Applying for college, scholarships, buying a house, buying a car, insurance, all of that sort of good stuff. Some goals that I have. Number 1, survive the rest of 2020. I would like to finish my administration certificate and be done. I'm tired of taking classes. Sorry. My current leadership responsibilities, I'm on my district leadership team, the professional development committee, as well as the junior high athletic director. In this class, I would like to learn how to find curriculum that inspires and stays current, not out of date in 5 years. I'd like to find curriculum that's appropriate for all students with appropriate modifications available. And then I'd like to stretch my thought process when it comes to curriculum. I'm kind of set in my ways, specifically in my classes, so I'd like to just kind of rethink how I could maybe make my curriculum work. Thanks.